In the spirit of the 12 days of Christmas, I'm going to add one recipe. This is my grilled salmon with lemon dill dressing. So to start out with here, get your ingredients ready. What we have here is we have about 5 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of fresh ground pepper. This is lemon zest, so you're going to have to scrape a lemon and try and get the outside of the skin off there. What we've got here is we've got about, I'd say 6 cloves of fresh garlic. We've got Himalayan sea salt, about 2 tablespoons. And I've got 1 bunch of dill. If you're using dried dill, you probably want to use about, let's say about 2 tablespoons of it. But I prefer always to use fresh spices when possible. So what we want to do first of all is to take our ingredients and mix them into a bowl. So we'll add our fresh dill into the bowl here. Get that in there. And we'll actually take our lemon zest, add it in. Our black pepper. Lots of fresh garlic. Love garlic. Really good. Okay, and we'll take our Himalayan sea salt, put it around there, and then we'll add in our olive oil. So sprinkle it all around. Now we want to take this and really mix it together well, because this is going to go on top of the salmon for grilling. In this case, I've got 4 pieces of salmon we're going to use. So after you've got the seasoning together, we're going to take it and we're actually going to put it on top of the salmon here. Okay, so we're just going to kind of spread it out all over. And there's lots of moisture on there. In this case, we've got 4 pieces of fresh Atlantic salmon, wild salmon. And it looks great. Okay, now we want to take it and we want to massage it all over. Good. Just kind of work it all over here. Get it in there. Now, I've got the skin of the salmon on the bottom, so we're not going to worry about doing that side. Good. So get this all on top here. And really move it around a bit there. Excellent, excellent. Okay, so we are set to go out to the barbecue. So we want to make sure that we get the barbecue warmed up first and probably sitting around 400 degrees. Okay, we're ready to barbecue. Now, as you can see outside, we've got lots of snow in the neighborhood right now. This is commonly what it's like when we actually have our Christmas party. And we'll come outside and I'll be barbecuing a lot of different meats, and Kamali is preparing all the vegetables inside. So let's get some of the salmon on the grill here. So I got a temperature approximately about 425 degrees. Now what we're going to do is we've got the skin down and we're going to place this carefully on the grill. Okay, and as you can see, you might get a little bit of flashing here. So we're going to be very careful how we put this on the grill. Good. Go slow. Don't want to drop any of that good dill and garlic on top there and the olive oil. Now, it's a little bit harder actually to barbecue sometimes in the winter because temperatures will fluctuate. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it on here for about 5 minutes. I'm going to come back and check it. So let's just close this up for now. Okay, let's check the salmon out and see where we're at here. Oh, got a little flare up here. Maybe we'll just bring this back just a little bit. You got to kind of work your way underneath so we don't move forward. Good. This has been about 8 minutes so far. We're not quite there yet, but let's just check to see where we're at here. Okay, we'll check and see. Starting to get, no, we're still got a ways to go here. So we're going to leave it for about another 7 or 8 minutes here, and then we should be almost close to being done completely. I'm actually going to change the position here just a little bit. And again, underneath there. Move it around a bit. There we go. Bring this up a bit. Perfect. Okay, let's check it out and see where we're at right now. Okay, this is cooking a little faster than I thought, so you got to keep a really close eye on things. Let's just see if it's flaking off at all right now. Alright, so yeah, that looks good. I like it a little bit on the pink side there, and that looks like it's just about perfect. So I'm going to turn the heat off completely here so we don't overcook things. Sometimes you have to get underneath a little bit. It can get a little bit sticky on there, so make sure you slide underneath there slowly. Otherwise, it's going to fall apart on you completely. There we go. This is coming off really well. Looks great. Okay, we are ready to eat. The salmon looks great, nice and flaky. And as you see, we put a little bit of some salsa on the side because in our house we like a little bit of spice. So this is the lemon dill grilled salmon. It is excellent.